everybody! This is Tiger and I'm Tim, and it's time for a show about one of the greatest things in the world. You can eat it, it melts, and it tastes delicious. It's chocolate! And yes, I do have a giant chocolate lolly suit. Fantastic! Come on, Tiger Cubs, join us in Tiger and Tim's Chocolate Factory. You know what to do, Tiger. Roll titles! Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to Tiger and Tim. Rawr! And click the notification bell, please. Chocolate Factory, we need you, don't we, to get this very special riddle right first. Are you ready? Okay, here goes. Getting a handful of these brings a joy you've never felt, but don't leave me in your pockets because I may melt. Did you get it, kids? Yes, well done, Tiger! It's a chocolate bar! Yes! And I was wearing chocolate bars on my t-shirt before I put this giant lolly on, didn't I? But now we know where we're going, and now we know what we're doing, how are we going to get to Tiger and Tim's Chocolate Factory? Tiger's Magic Paw! That opens a special seat! I'm going to need my glasses for this, if I can get inside my chocolate lolly suit, because this is always going to be bright. Okay, let's go! Wow, Tiger, your special secret tunnel is always so fast. Do we have time for a tongue twister? Okay, good. It's time for Tiger's Tongue Twister! And here's what it is this time, kids. Charlie, the chomping champion, chews chocolate chips. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Charlie, the chomping champion, chews chocolate chips. Yay, we did it! Well done, Tiger Cubs! 10 out of 10. Now, Tiger, the tunnel is closing in. Let's jump! Yeah, we made it, Tiger. Only just. But look at this place. It's amazing! Tiger and Tim's Chocolate Factory! I'm so excited and I want to live here forever! And actually, Tiger, you're appearing in our adventure again today, aren't you? Yes, that's right. It's called the Enchanted Chocolate Forest. As long as I can eat chocolate in this story, I'll be happy. Make sure you read along with us, Tiger Cubs, grown-ups, and any chocoholics watching at home. That's all of you. Tiger and Tim trudged through the forest until Tessa the talking tree appeared before their eyes. Welcome to the Enchanted Chocolate Forest, both of you. You have been invited here today to take part in some cheery chocolate challenges as a reward for the kindness and care that you have both shown to others. How nice is that, Tiger? And then, poof! Tessa the talking tree was gone and a magnificent map appeared where the tree once stood. Tim carefully picked up the map and examined it with his marvellous magnifying glass. Why don't I have a magnifying glass, kids? Oh. Where shall we go first, Tim? Tiger yelped excitedly. They both looked at each other and shouted, Marshmallow Meadows! As they leapt from marshmallow to marshmallow, they could hear a figure stomping over the hill. It's the Marshmallow Man! Tiger screamed. Malcolm, the Marshmallow Man, challenged them to eat as many marshmallows as they could. Tiger and Tim giggled as they knew this would be easy for them. They munched, munched and munched on the mouth-watering marshmallows until they couldn't munch any more. With their bellies full, Tiger and Tim laid down for a much-needed nap until a tap, tap, tap on their heads awoke them. Lucy the lollipop loudly said, "Follow me! There are many challenges beyond this tree." This is so exciting, Tiger. They danced towards Lollipop Land, collecting as many lollipops as their hats, shoes, socks and belts could hold. Tiger and Tim piled the lollipops up as quickly as they could. "Teamwork makes the dream work," yelled Tiger. "Yes, indeed," Tim replied. As they climbed the tremendous tower, they felt the lollipops begin to crumble. Tim yelled, "Jump, Tiger!" and they leapt to the ledge of the Cocoa Canal. "Phew! We just made it," said Tiger as he took a lick of his lolly. Lick, 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 lick. Their final challenge was to ride the rapids of the Cocoa Canal. Could they do it? Could they hold on and reach the end? Tiger and Tim braced themselves. Swoosh! They went hurtling down the rapids at the speed of light. Splash! They landed in the biggest fountain of chocolate that they had ever seen and were covered from head to toe. This has definitely been the best enchanted chocolate forest I have ever been to, Tiger said excitedly as he licked the chocolate from his fur. Ooh, cheeky boy. Tim smiled to himself as it was the only chocolate forest Tiger had ever visited. With that, the two best friends began jogging to try and work off their chocolate tummies. But they also felt happy and grateful for being rewarded so generously because of how kind and caring they had been to others. The end. Wow, what an amazing adventure! And what an amazing lesson, Tiger! Fabulous. Lesson number 1, be kind. Lesson number 2, be caring. I know you agree with that, Tiger. Well, I think it's the perfect time for us to get home and for you to review some art with the art critique. Let's go, Tiger. Get your magic paw ready. What do you mean your magic paw will only work and take us home if we get a quiz question right? Oh, Tiger. I think we need some help here. No problem, kids. It's me, your quiz master. With my perfectly fitting hat. See, it fits perfectly. And I have a question to get you all safely home from this amazing land of chocolate. Yum yum in my tum. Are you ready? Are you steady? True or false? White chocolate isn't actually chocolate. True or false? White chocolate isn't actually chocolate. Tiger? That's right! White chocolate doesn't contain any cocoa. It's made of cocoa butter instead. I didn't know that. Now, Tiger, please transport us home with your mysterious, marvellous, magical paw. I've got my glasses as usual. Yahoo! Oh, hello, Tiger Cubs. It's me, the art critique. And hello to you too, Tiger. But why wasn't I invited to the Tiger and Tim chocolate factory? I'm very jealous. I love chocolate. And did you know that the English chocolate company, Cadbury, made the first chocolate bar in the world in 1842? Nearly as old as me. Now, enough talk about chocolate. It's time to look at some of your wonderful art. Let's see it. And I like what I see here because this is Green, age 4, and he is in St. Louis in the United States. And I love what Green has done here. It's a beautiful field with some green trees and some lovely pink too. Well done, Green. And next is this young princess called Princess. She's 9 years old, she's in the Philippines, and she's done a fantastic drawing of the Tiger and Tim logo. And there is Tim on the right, and there is Tiger on the left. And last but not least is Andre. He's 11 years old, also in the country of the Philippines. And Andre, wow, we have some wonderful art on your pad, including the most brilliant picture of Tiger. And Tim is not bad either, but I must say, where is the art critique? Well done, Andre. Amazing, wonderful, spectacular work, kids. And remember to keep sending in your paintings, your drawings, your arts and crafts on the tigerandtim.com website. There's the link to upload. But now I am going to go to the gym so I can exercise and allow myself to eat some more chocolate. And you have one last job to do, Tiger. It's the end of the show sing-along song. Bye-bye, Cubs! Well, what an adventure it's been, Tiger! And all of you Tiger Cubs. The Tiger and Tim Chocolate Factory is definitely a place I'd like to live in every single day. You too, Tiger? More chocolate for me as soon as this show's finished, I'm telling you. Now, as all of you Tiger Cubs at home are members of the Tiger and Tim Fan Club, that means we expect you to do certain things. To be kind to others, to be well-mannered, to work hard in school, to respect your elders, and to try to read as often as you can. And if you promise to do that, we will now sing our end of the show sing-along song for you, but make sure you sing along too.
Work hard at school, we'll think you're cool. Learning is rather fun. We both like heat, veggies and treats, but books are our favourite things. Remember to draw, not with tiger's paw, and be kind to the people you meet. Oh, we go together like strawberries and cream. With Tiger and Tim, you'll dare to dream.
I hope you sang along, kids. And remember to keep reading and to look out for all of our other amazing adventures. Maybe there'll be more about chocolate. Blow them a kiss, Tiger, and say goodbye. That's it. Goodbye, kids, and keep watching.